Open the job you want to edit and click the Edit button to modify the job settings. Enable the Cost Centers option. Optionally enable swim lanes. The Cost Centers section becomes available. To apply default cost centers, select an existing project template from the drop-down. Then create your milestones. Enter a milestone name, e.g. installation. Add tasks to the milestone. Locate the estimated labour section to enter labour cost estimates. Expand the estimated labour section and enter the estimated hours for each milestone. Enter the budget hourly rates for labour, then enter estimated material costs in the materials field. Enter equipment and plant costs in the equipment field. Enter any other costs that do not fit under labour or materials in the other field. To simplify the layout, remove columns you do not need, such as status or assignee. Click on a task to open its details. Save your current changes first. Click on a task to add more detail. Enter labour rates, estimated hours and costs for labour, materials, equipment and other categories. Review the detailed cost centre breakdown. Save your changes when finished.